2 or 3 of our previous members also there. Okay. Right. Okay, guys, we'll start this session. Good evening to everybody. Good evening, everyone. I'll continue this thing in English, and also I will repeat the same thing in Sinhala as well. The reason for that one is, the first reason is actually we have to deliver this course in English medium because this is not a basic and a very beginner friendly one. I have to say this one. Okay, this is advanced machine learning course. Okay, guys, මේක මේ අපිට මේ කෝස් එක ඉංග්‍රීසි වලින් තමයි කරන්න වෙන්නේ. මම ඉංග්‍රීසි වලින් කරන ගමන්ම සිංහලෙනුත් එක්ස්ප්ලেইন කරනවා. මේක ඔයාලා මතක තියාගන්න ඕන දෙයක් තමයි මේක මේ normally ඔයාලා දකින සාමාන්‍ය අර මොකද ඒක අපි කියන්නේ මේ සිම්පල් කෝස් එකක් නෙවෙයි. සිම්පල් කෝස් එකක් නෙවෙයි. මොකද මේකට වැඩිපුර ජොයින් වෙලා තියෙන්නේ ඉන්ඩස්ට්‍රි එකේ ඉන්න කට්ටිය. This is not just a small Python course, right? Okay, guys, I have to tell that thing. That means this is not a normal basic course. Okay, I will share the screen and get the blog post here. First one, yes, this blog post, I will write the things in this blog. Then I can publish this one, all these contents. That I think it is better to go like that way rather than going with the PowerPoint presentation or a simple notebook writing thing, because I can after finishing this one, I can make this interactive more. Right, guys, මම ලියන්නට පාවිච්චි කරනවා මෙතන මේ බ්ලොග් එක. ඔයාලත් ඔයාලා මොනවා හරි දෙයක් ඔයාලගේ මේ ඉන්ඩස්ට්‍රි ඔරියන්ටඩ් දේවල් ඔයාලා ලියද්දි බ්ලොග් එකක් පාවිච්චි කරන්න. මේ වගේ බ්ලොග් එකක් පාවිච්චි කරන්න. එතකොට අර සමහර දේවල් රිමයින්ඩර්ස් විදිහට ඒවා cloud එකේ ස්ටෝර් වෙනවා. ඒක එකක්. and ඊළඟ එක තමයි අපිට ඒක අවශ්‍ය විදිහට අපිට සකස් කරගැනීමේ හැකියාවක් තියෙනවා. Right? Okay, guys. So this is complete machine learning course. Complete machine learning course. Okay, and the duration. Before commencing this course, there will be 2 sessions, because after finishing this information session, I will be having one-to-one interview session with you all. That means after 1 week. Okay, then only we will consider whether you are suited for this course. Okay, that means not everybody is eligible for this course, because this is not like just after O-level course or just after A-level course. This is not like that way. Okay, guys, මේ session එක ඉවර වෙලා සතියකට විතර පස්සේ ඔයාලත් එක්ක 1-to-1 interview session එකක් තියෙනවා. ඒ interview session එකේදී අපි ඔයාලව identify කරගන්නවා. මොකද identify කරගැනීමේ වැදගත් වෙන්නේ ඔයාලා මොන විදිහේ කට්ටියද, ඒ කියන්නේ මොන විදිහේ පරිසරයක environment එක, මොන විදිහේ background එකක් තියෙන කට්ටියද කියලා දැනගන්නට ඕන වෙනවා. ඒතර ඒ අයට ගැලපෙන විදිහට තමයි මේක සකස් කරන්නේ. ඒතර ඉස්සෙල්ලාම මම කියන්නම් මේක කාටද match වෙන්නේ මේ course එක, කාටද match නොවෙන්නේ කියන එක. Right, first of all, I want to mention this course for whom, and this course is not for whom. Okay, the first one I will mention, this course is not for, this course is not for, first one, after A-level students or after O-level students. We'll see, but don't worry. Okay, if there are O-level students or A-level students, we'll discuss. Okay, why? Because if they are having some kind of passion towards the machine learning engineering journey, there will be some other options. I will be describing those options. Okay, but for this course, this is for industry professionals. This course is for the people who need to build scalable AI solutions, scalable commercialized AI systems. Okay, what industry requesting you to do? Okay, මේ course එක ඇත්තටම මේ after A levels after O levels කට්ටියට කරන්න බැරි වෙන්න හේතුව එයාලගේ exposure එක මදි. හරිද? ඒ කියන්නේ එයාලා undergraduate course එකක් follow කරමින් ඉන්නවා කියලා කියන්නේ සාමාන්‍යයෙන් at least third year එහෙම වුණොත් තමයි වඩා සුදුසු. But if you are undergraduate who is in university first year and need to shift into machine learning journey, then also we'll discuss with you and see what are the things we can do with you, right? Okay, we'll see. Yes, audible and visible. Yes, right. Okay, and this course we'll see. Right, then this course is not for after A-level students or O-level students, and this course is not for non-IT professionals. Professionals, if they are not following MSCO higher grade. That means non-technical audience. හරිද? non-technical කට්ටිය ගත්තොත් එහෙම non-technical audience එකේ අයට මේ course එක advance වැඩි. non-technical කියලා කියන්නේ non-IT background තියෙන කට්ටියට. ඒතර non-IT background තිබ්බත් එයාලා යම්කිසි higher study එකක master level degree එක enroll වෙලා ඉන්නවා නම් එයාලට පුළුවන් මේකට සම්බන්ධ වෙන්න. එහෙම එක්කෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා අපේ අපේ සහෝදරයෙක් ඉන්නවා. එතකොට එයා eligible මේකට මේ එහෙම නැතුව proofs තියෙන්න ඕනේ මේ ඇයි මේක follow කරන්න කියන එක. මොකද මේකේ අපි බලාපොරොත්තු වෙන්නේ ඔයාලව industry එකට recruit කරන එක. එතකොට ඒක තමයි මේකෙදි මූලික අරමුණ. right? Okay, right. Okay guys, right. Okay, then those are the people who are not eligible for this course. Okay, after O level and A level, who doesn't have a proper IT background. Okay, and the people in the non IT background, but even though they are following proper MSc or the higher academic level, those are eligible to apply. And even though they are and also guys, if you do not have a background in graduate level background, but even though you have implemented some sort of applications, scalable applications related to IT. IT means if it is cybersecurity, data science, AI engineering, or IT, software engineering, anything which is related to IT, and if you have implemented something which is scalable and commercial, which can be commercialized, you are eligible to apply, right? So there is one guy who spoke to me 2-3 days back. He hasn't a background in IT. He's not following any course, any degree related to IT. And also he hasn't done the A levels as well. He is a college dropout. Okay. and he's 19 years old. He has only done O levels. He has only done up to O levels, but he has implemented the security level implementation. So I have discussed with him, and I have seen he is not enrolling for this course, but he needs to have a partnership with me in order to commercialize his application. Okay, if there are some guys like that, that means who are self-studying and implementing the things, those are very well welcome to this place. Okay, if you guys සමහර අය ඉන්නවා එයාලට proper conventional background එකක් නැහැ IT වල හරිද ඒත් එයාලා මේ එයාලා පොඩි කාලේ ඉඳලම හරි මේ enthusiastic වැඩේට හරිද IT පැත්තට very much interested නමුත් එයාලගේ academic background එක මේකට related නැහැ සමහර වෙලාවට A levels කරලත් නැහැ සමහර වෙලාවට O levels කරලත් නැහැ ඒ වුණාට හොඳ hands on experience එකක් තියෙනවා තනියම ඉගෙනගෙන තියෙනවා very much self learning oriented අන්න ඒ වගේ අයට හොඳ දේවල් කරන්න පුළුවන් ඇත්තටම මේ conventional background එකේ යන අය නෙවෙයි ලොකු දේවල් කරන්නේ එහෙම unconventional background එකේ යන අය right so එහෙම අය ඉන්නවා නම් එයාලා very much welcome to this place okay but many guys that we have seen those are going in a conventional track okay then we'll see who are eligible for this course. The first one, those who are following a degree or diploma related to IT. IT means anything related to software engineering, cyber security, data science, AI engineering, computer system engineering, anything. Okay, anything. Or what we call the management and information technology. Anything. There are some university courses with different names. Even though you are following a proper course, you are eligible for this course because you know to get into the industry by following this type of course, one of your prerequisite is that they are requesting is you have to at least have a undergraduate degree related to that field. Okay, so so it is needed. Otherwise, because that is just you are just learning something, right? So that is the first thing. The first category. Those are the first category who needs to follow this course, right? එතකොට මේ course එක follow කරන first category එක තමයි කවුරුන් හෝ වේවා එයාලා undergraduate degree එකක් හෝ diploma එකක් උනත් eligible මොකද එයාලා දැන් එයාලට පුළුවන් top up එකක් කරලා යන්න. එතකොට ඒ කට්ටිය eligible, right? ඊට පස්සේ the second category එක those who are working in the IT industry. IT industry, I don't consider if they have followed a degree or diploma, if they are working in IT industry. Okay, එයාලා මේ degree එකක් diploma එකක් නොකරත් එයාලා IT industry එකේ වැඩ කරනවා නම් those people are welcome to follow this course. And the third category is even you are a college dropout but you have implemented something, implemented a scalable, okay, implemented something we can't accept, okay. Implemented something means like a very what we call like something academic project we are not accepting. We will be accepting those who have implemented something commercialized and scalable. Okay. Third thing, unconventional background who have implemented scalable IT solutions. Like the way I told, there was a guy who is 19 years old, no proper educational background, but he has implemented security level implementation. Okay, I will ask him to talk with you, okay, when you are joining for the course, because I asked him, because that is something, because I also came from a conventional background. This unconventional background, I will really I appreciate those backgrounds, because those are the fellows who will be doing something what we call the next level thing, beyond the things what we are expecting. They will do something. Okay. So this guy told me, the first of all, he told me like, yeah, he's 19 years old. Okay, very much younger to me, and he told, you know that those guys. He met with me Facebook, because he has put like, I have implemented this thing, but I don't know how to commercialize that one. So like that way, then I put a message and told him, perhaps I may help you. Right after that, he got me a call around 9, after 9, 9 to 10, around 9 to 10 p.m. and told me, Machang, I was the person who texted you. I have implemented this thing. The thing is, I don't know how to market this one. I'm running a very small company with two of my friends, but the thing is, now I can't continue this more. The reason is I don't have money. So somehow I want to market this one. Okay. So then we had a small chit chat, and I understood that his work is a real scalable application, not like the very small security level implementation. It is. I will tell you what he has implemented. You know that when the children uses phone, yes, when they are using mobile phones, you know that. This people are using mobile phones like this way, when they do not know where they are navigating. Okay, they will be going to some unnecessary sites. Okay, those adults only sites, and the not relevant sites they will be navigating, using his security implementation. All those unauthorized sites, okay, according to the age, it will be identified. These are not authorized for this kid, and those will be blocked. That is one thing, one feature of his security layer. And other one is, you know that when we are move into some sort of sites, websites, or to download some books or something, okay, the free downloadable things, you know that there will be non-stoppable, what we call ads seen, right? By his security layer, those ads will be disappearing. That means those are blocked and allow you to easily do your task. So you know, you will be feeling like it is not that very much complicated one, but it is a scalable one. Okay, scalable. We will discuss what do you mean by the scale after that, after a few minutes. So if you can, if somebody can implement like that way, which can be commercialized something, so you are welcome to this thing, right? Right. No. Right. Okay. Okay, right. Then those are the guys who are we are welcome into this stage. And next thing, okay, next thing. Uh, you know that the next thing is the most important thing. Now, these days, many guys they will be having several opinions. Is IT industry is already broken down? That is one of the thing that always running on your minds. And also some guys complaining that they do not have internships, they do not have proper salary. Okay, guys, I have also seen, I have requested from some of the company guys about the salary range in the machine learning engineer in Sri Lanka, because some of the levels they will be giving very low salary. You know that very low salary means the fresh graduates, you know that there is a certain hierarchy how they are performing in the industry. First of all, they are moving to a level called intern, and after that they will be promoted as associate, and after that if we consider in the ML scale, they will be moving to the ML engineer. Okay, first intern ML engineer, then associate level ML engineer, and after that the ML engineer. You know that the associate level normally they will be getting the salary around 150,000 to 200,000, and the ML engineer in Sri Lanka, they will be getting like 200,000 to 300,000. If it is lower than that range, means that company is not earning profits, or that is not what we call, they are not performing well. Okay, and so then also, okay, then also what the thing is, they are not hiring the people in a proper way. That means they will be if you have a certain degree like computer science degree, just imagine if you have a computer science degree, just imagine if it is from Colombo UCSC, or what we call Morotu IT, or Morotu CSC, or SLIT data science, or what we call Morotu AI. I don't think like Morotu AI, they haven't finished their the first batch, right? Any other University of Ruhuna CS, like all. Or the next thing you want to understand, if you have followed a particular degree, even it is from UCSC, even it is from what we call University of Peradeniya Computer Science, more to a CSC, more to IT, all those people are coming under one category, one particular category. Okay, one particular category, but you know that the university wise, there can be some kind of impression. Okay, like the more to a CSC, computer science and engineering, it has like the small edge. Okay, the reason is the people who have graduated from that university, they are they have already performed well. Because of that, they have a community. Okay, when the community is performing, the company thinks like the graduates from this university, since the previous the alumni of this one, since they have performed well, so the other guys also, the new guys also, newbies also will be performing well. Okay, so like that way they will imagine. But that is just the first impression. Okay, the next impression, that is definitely the way you are performing. Okay, the perhaps you might get a slightly difficult edge when you are when you graduated from a university which is not that known well. As an example, no, no, I don't want to comment about the universities. Just imagine a university which is far away from Colombo and uh, very much not a very popular university for IT, like that way. Then there will be some kind of disadvantage. But if you build your portfolio, in a proper way, with real scalable projects, and if you have shown the way that the industry requesting, okay, you will be getting the advantage. Okay, so I know that because I have shown like that way, because I didn't do my degree from what we call Mortua CSC. Okay, so I didn't have that advantage. I graduated from one of the pioneer what we call university, state university, and also I did my undergraduate again from a private university. I don't, you know that I am not mentioning the university names, because that is not a good way. Okay, then somebody can say that this person is highlighting because of the names of that university. Okay, so you have to show your skills. Okay, you have to perform you, not your university. Okay, not your university, not that brand. Okay, yeah, let your skills to discuss about yourself. Okay, that's the main way you can hit the industry. Okay, so I will be guiding those the way how to do the things like that way. Okay, I forgot to translate the things in Sinhala, right? ගයිස්, දැන් අපි මේ ඉන්ඩස්ට්‍රිය ගැන කතා කරද්දී මේ ඉන්ඩස්ට්‍රි එකට එන්න මේ පොඩි ඩිස්ඇඩ්වාන්ටේජස් ටිකක් තියෙනවා. පොඩි ඩිස්ඇඩ්වාන්ටේජස් එකක් තමයි දැන් ඔයා ටිකක් වෙල් නෝන් යුනිවර්සිටි එකකින් ග්‍රැජුවේට් වුණා නම් පොඩි ස්ලයිට්ලි එජ් එකක් තියෙනවා. උදාහරණයක් විදිහට මොරටුව CSC එක ටිකක් UCSC වගේ අර ටිකක් කමියුනිටි එක හොඳයි. කමියුනිටි එක IT ඉන්ඩස්ට්‍රි එකේ කමියුනිටි එක හොඳයි. එකන එක කලින් ආපු කට්ටිය හොඳට perform කරලා තියෙනවා කියලා එයාලා විශ්වාස කරනවා. එහෙනම් එහෙම කට්ටියට මේ පොඩි added advantage එකක් තියෙනවා. සමහර not well known universities ගත්තොත් එයාලට පොඩි disadvantage එකක් තියෙනවා. I remember මේ මට මතකයි මේ සමහර universities වලින් private වගේම මේ state ඔය දෙකේම කට්ටිය කියනවා තියෙනවා මේ සමහර අය අපේ යුනිවර්සිටි නේම් එක ඇහුවත් මේ ගන්නේ නෑ සර් කියලා. හරිද? ඒ කියන්නේ ගන්නේ නැලු එයාලගේ ඒක. ඊට පස්සේ මම අපේ මම දන්න ඔය නෙට්වර්ක් එකේ ඉන්න මේ ඩිසිෂන් මේකර්ස්ලා ඔය කම්පැනිස් වල ඩිසිෂන් මේකර්ස්ලාගෙන් මේ අහලා බැලුවා මේ මේක ඇත්තද මේ යුනිවර්සිටි නේම් එක කිව්වමත් ඔයාලා ගන්න නැහැ කියන්නේ කියලා. එයාලා කිව්වේ මෙහෙමයි. එහෙම එකක් කියලා නෑ. සමහර වෙලාවට මේ අර මේ ඔය HR එකෙන් මේවත් තීරණය කරන්නේ. HR එකෙන් තමයි ෆස්ට් මේක එන්නේ. ඊට පස්සේ තමයි අර ඉහළ ලෙවල් එකේදී මේ hiring managers-ලා decide කරන්නේ ගන්නවද නැද්ද කියලා. දැන් ඊට පස්සේ දැන් අර hiring managers-ලාගෙන් reject වුණාට පස්සේ HR එකට ආවට පස්සේ ඒ කියන්නේ HR එකේදී අර එනවනේ යාට ඔක්කොම documentations ටික මෙයා select වුණාද නැද්ද කියන ටික තියෙන්නේ HR එක ගාව. ඒතර HR එකේ තියෙනවා මෙන්න මේ යුනිවර්සිටි එකෙන් ආප එක හරියට perform කරලා නැහැ, ඔන්න ඒක rejected. ඒතර HR කට්ටියට ඔය technical knowledge එක නැහැනේ. ද පොරගාව තියෙනවා දැන් මේ රෙකෝඩ්ස් ටික මෙයා නෑ, මෙයා සිලෙක්ට් නෑ, මු ඔක්කොම සිලෙක්ට් නෑ. හරිද? ඔහොම කියලා සෙට් එකක් එකතු වෙනවා. එතකොට දැන් ඉස්සල්ලාම දැන් ඉන්ටර්විව් එකේදී මේක බලන්නේ කවුද? අර ඔයාගේ CV එක මුලින්ම යන්නේ කාටද? මුලින්ම යන්නේ නෑ මේ ටෙක්නිකල් ඔෆිසර්ස්ලාට. ඒ කියන්නේ ටෙක්නිකල් පැත්තට සම්බන්ධ කට්ටියට යන්නේ නෑ. මුලින්ම ඕක එන්නේ HRට. හරිද? HR තමයි මේක යවනවද නැද්ද කියලා තීරණය කරන්නේ. එතනින් ෆිල්ටර් කරලා හොඳ දේවල් ටික HRට දෙනවා. සමහර ඒවා ඔටෝමේට් කරලා තියෙනවා. සමහර ඒවා HRට කියලා තියෙනවා මෙන්න මේ ස්කිල් සෙට් එක තියෙනවා නම් ගන්න කියලා. ඒතර HR ඉස්සෙල්ලාම බලනවා මොකද්ද මේ යුනිවර්සිටි එක කියලා. දැන් කලින් එයාගේ රෙකෝඩ්ස් ටිකක් තියෙනවනේ මේකෙන් perform කරලා නැහැ කියලා. එතකොට මේ එහෙම කෙලින්ම යුනිවර්සිටි එක දැක්කම HR එක රිජෙක්ට් කරනවා. එහෙම දේවල් තියෙනවා ඇත්තට. එහෙම ඒක තියෙන සාමාන්‍ය මිනිස්සුනේ. හරිද? ඉතින් ඔයා කරන්න ඕනේ අපි HR අභිබවා යන්නට ඕනේ. Right? So what you want to do guys, you have to go beyond the HR. How to do that? The main thing is you have to build your own portfolio, very strong portfolio, right? You have to build very strong portfolio. Okay, right. I will give an example. Okay, I will give an example. There is one guy, one of my very what we call, he and I have a very, very long term relationship. Okay, one of my student. Okay, that means we have like 5-6 years of bond. Okay, bond. That means this guy is he has done technology, but he needs to that means technology stream, and he has done a degree related to what we call the robotic engineering field. Okay, but not perfect IT background, but slightly related to that one, and he needs to shift into this the mechatronics engineering field. And that mechatronics engineering field, he has shown me one of the job profile, uh, what they are requesting, the requirement, and that requirement is actually, that is not related to the technology degree, that is related to the engineering degree. You know that there are the two categories of the degrees, right? Engineering degree and the technological degree. And so we'll by observing that the requirement that they have, the first task was the degree requirement, and after that they have asked certain things, the project related to this machine learning and AI, and some sort of things. So we had some discussion. He asked whether can I fulfill this requirement. I told like by my experience, I told like yes, that degree requirement you can beat if you have fulfilled these type of things. You know, guys, if you can show your colors from some edge, then some of the minor points you can omit. That means the degree requirement. If you have a degree slightly related, okay, not properly related, not properly connected, but if you have the skill set and the other things and the other experience which is relevant to that job field, then you will be having advantage of getting that job role. Okay, so in this course, what we are doing, we are giving you the advantage of gaining those skill set. Okay, gaining those skill set. After some while, I will show you how this course is different from all the other courses available in Sri Lanka and all the other master degree level courses in Sri Lanka. That means MSc and the things also. This will be beyond that one. The only thing is, okay, only the thing is the time duration. Okay, I think now you can see the screen here, guys. Okay, can you see the screen, guys? Just put a comment or just unmute and talk. Can you see the screen, Mr. Marlon? Yes, that's good. Whoa. What has happened here? Okay, we'll see. We'll share the screen again. Right. Okay. This course has several stages. Okay. The first stage I have named as foundations. Okay, the foundations. Okay, each foundation, it has certain competency levels. Okay, so the first, in the foundation level, this part, this course, this machine learning stage 1, this is Normally, it is related to your undergraduate machine learning course. Okay, the stage one. It is normally if you haven't followed the proper machine learning course in your undergraduate, this is very much relevant to that one, but it is slightly advanced to that one, because in the university at the undergraduate level, it is fully what we call fully, but not given enough sufficient intuition, and also not a proper project level. But this I have filled those gaps also here. That means when explaining the things, we will be going deeper to all of the things. Okay, and we'll discussing all the things, how these things have formed the mathematical background of that one. That means the intuition, and also we will be discussing those tools, technologies which are relevant to the industry, and we will be doing the mini projects, and also the final project, which is a scalable project. And the most important thing, guy, uh, after finishing this course, you have to publish a paper. Okay, that means is after implementing the scalable project, okay, scalable project, you have to publish the paper. Okay, the reason is, guys, this my course is this course is not a course from Stanford. Okay, this course is not from the MIT, and this is not a course from one of the universities in Sri Lanka. This is a course who is conducting this course is delivering by just the senior AI engineer, just a industry professional. Okay, but guys, if I give a certificate like this way, you have finished this course, nobody will care about that one. But what will happen if you publish a paper related to your implementation, and I am the person who has supervised the things, and you have published this thing in a somewhat international level journal, then you will be gaining uh, what we call advantage, which is more than a university degree. You know that publication matters a lot. Okay, publication matters a lot, not only in academia. Publication matters a lot in the industry, specifically this ML field. Okay, ML field. මේ කෝස් එකේදී මේ පළවෙනිම අපි කතා කරන්නේ මේ ස්ටේජ් 1 යටතේ ළමයි වන්නටද සාමාන්‍ය අපි යුනිවර්සිටි එකක ඕනම යුනිවර්සිටි එකක මැෂින් ලර්නින් සම්බන්ධයෙන් තියෙන කොටස තමයි. නමුත් ඒ සාමාන්‍ය යුනිවර්සිටි එක තියෙනට වඩා අපි ඇඩ්වාන්ස් දේවල් කතා කරනවා. ඒ වගේම මේක අර මැතමැටිකල් බෑග්ග්‍රවුන්ඩ්ස් ටික කතා කරනවා, කොහොමද මේකේ නට්ස් ඇන්ඩ් බෝල්ට්ස් සියල්ලම කතා කරනවා, සහ ඊට පස්සේ මේකේ ස්කේලබල් ප්‍රොජෙක්ට් එකක් ඉම්ප්ලිමන්ට් කරනවා. වඩා වැදගත්ම දේ තමයි මේකෙදී අපි පේපර් එකක් පබ්ලිෂ් කරනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ රිසර්ච් පේපර් එකක් පබ්ලිෂ් කරනවා. ඒතකොට මේක තුලේදී ඔයා ඉම්ප්ලිමන්ටේෂන් එකට අමතරව පබ්ලිකේෂන් ඇබිලිටි එක ගන්නවා. ඒ ගන්න ඇබිලිටි එක ලොකු ඇඩ්වාන්ටේජ් එක. ඒ කියන්නේ ස්ටේජ් 1 ඉඳලම ඔයා ඉන්ඩස්ට්‍රි රෙඩි. ඒ කියන්නේ ඔයාට තියෙනවා නෝන් පබ්ලිකේෂන් එකක්. හේතුව මේ විදිහට පබ්ලිකේෂන් එකක් ඉදිරිපත් කරන්නේ මොකද ළමයි මේ දැන් මගේ කෝස් එක ඒක මේ සාමාන්‍ය ප්‍රොෆෙෂනල් කෙනෙක් කරන කෝස් එකක්නේ. ඔය ලංකාවේ ළමයි ලංකාවේ මොකා කරත් හරිද යුනිවර්සිටි ඩිග්‍රී එකකින් කරන කෝස් එක හැර මේ මම අවංකව කියන්නේ හරිද. ඔයාලා ඉතින් එහෙම මේ ඇන්දෙන්න එපා. මොන කෝස් එක කොච්චර ගාණක් දීලා කරත් ළමයි හරිද ඒ කෝස් වල තියෙන සර්ටිෆිකට් තඹ සතේකට වටින්නේ නැහැ. හරිද? ඒ ඔයා කෝස් එකක් කරනවා නම් AWS Azure ඒවා වටිනවා. හරිද? AWS Azure ඒවා වටිනවා. ඒවාට හොඳ ගාගේවල ඒක එක්සැමිනේෂන් එක හරිද? එක්සැමිනේෂන් එක පාස් වුණොත් ඒක වටිනවා. හරිද? නැතුව මේ අහවල් මෙයා අහවල් ඉංජිනේරගේ Python කෝස් එක හෝ අහවල් එක්කෙනාගේ මෙන්න මෙහෙමයි හොඳ බෑග්ග්‍රවුන්ඩ් එකක් තියෙන එක්කෙනෙක් එයාගේ මේ මැෂින් ලර්නින් කෝස් එක ඒවා තඹ සතේකට ගණන් ගන්න නෑ. ඒවා හයි ඇන්දෙන්න එපා ළමයි. ඒවා ගණන් ගන්න නෑ. හරිද? මම මේ තිත් ඇත්ත කියන්නේ. එතකොට හරිද මම කරන කෝස් එක වුණත් හරිද මට කියන්න පුළුවන් වුණාට මේ දැන් මම මේක කට්ටිය අඳුරනවා මේ ඉන්ඩස්ට්‍රි ප්‍රොෆෙෂනල්ස්ලා අඳුරනවා හරිද මගේ කෝස් එක තමයි පට්ට කෝස් එක ඒවා සත පහකට ගණන් ගන්න ඔය අරයාගේ කෝස් එක කරලාවා කියලා ගන්න ඇත ඒවට ළමයි ඔය ඒවගේ දේවල් කීපයක් තියෙනවා ඒකෙන් ඔයාලගේ පෝර්ට්ෆෝලියෝ එකක් හදාගෙන තියෙනවා නම් එතන වටිනාකමක් තියෙනවා වඩාත්ම වැදගත් දේ තමයි රිසර්ච් පේපර් එකක් පබ්ලිෂ් කරලා තියෙන එක. මොකද රිසර්ච් පේපර් එක කියලා කියන එක ඔයා ඉන්ටර්නැෂනල් ජර්නල් එකක නම් පබ්ලිෂ් කරලා තියෙන්නේ. ඒකට මාර වැලියු එකක් එනවා. හරිද? මේ ළඟදී මම හෙල්ප් කරා මේ එක ගර්ල් කෙනෙක්ට එයා කෙමිස්ට්‍රි කරේ. හරිද? කෙමිස්ට්‍රි කරේ කෙමිස්ට්‍රි අනිත් අයට සාපේක්ෂව මේ එයාගේ මේ GPA එක දැන් කෙමිස්ට්‍රි වලට සාමාන්‍යයෙන් slightly having high advantage compared to the computer science if you want to go abroad but you know sorry මම වචන දෙක භාෂා දෙක කලවම් වෙනවා ඉස්සෙල්ලා මම සිංහලෙන් කියලා ඊට පස්සේ ඉංග්‍රීසි වලින් කියනවා right මෙයා කෙමිස්ට්‍රි කරේ ඒ වුණාට එයාගේ ප්‍රොජෙක්ට් එක අපි ML වලින් කරන්න කියලා තීරණය කරා ඊට පස්සේ දැන් මෙයා ඒක කරා ඊට පස්සේ කියපු විදිහට මෙයා යුනිවර්සිටිස් වලට ඇප්ලයි කරා PhD වලට එයාට හම්බුණා යුනිවර්සිටි 3කින් එයාට කැඳවීම හම්බුණා offer letters ඊට පස්සේ මේ ළඟදී එයා Iowa State කින යුනිවර්සිටි එකේ PhD එකට එයා ඔක්කොම දේවල් ටික fulfill කරලා තියෙනවා right ඒගෙන් ළමයි මේ දැන් සමහර වෙලාවට ළමයි හරිද සමහර වෙලාවට දැන් අපේ GPA එක අඩු වුණත් හරිද අපේ GPA එක අඩු වුණත් අපේ තියෙනවා නම් හොඳ පබ්ලිකේෂන් එකක් හරිද අපේ තියෙනවා නම් මේ ඒක ප්‍රූව් කරන්න පුළුවන් වැලිඩ් සාක්ෂියක් ඒක ඩොමිනේට් කරනවා ඔයාලගේ අනිත් දේවල් හරිද what I explained guys there was one girl she has done a chemistry degree not a very high GPA but I advise her to do a machine learning related project there because she has done related to what we call the drug discovery, computational drug discovery thing. This all the analytics and the things and the data set, those things. That is she has built a computational model. After that, she has published her work in a paper. The normal conference paper, right, in her university, but that also has given a slight advantage. And there were only few guys selected for the PhD, and she also one of the guys because there were several girls and boys who have obtained higher GPA than her, but this girl got the chance, right? So guys ඒ වගේ chance එකක් තියෙනවා මේ publications වලට right so if I mention about this machine learning stage 1 okay I just skim the things okay I don't want to take the whole time about this one there are like 28 things okay this whole thing is a total machine learning program which is covered in your undergraduate level, but we will be discussing in very deep way, but we are not getting the whole like the semester wisely time for this one, okay? The maximum how many days will be occupied for this one, guys? Okay? Each day, I have to mention that one, each day we will be allocating at least 6 hours for the program, okay? The next thing I want to explain that one okay if you want to hit the industry okay it is not a simple task guys okay it is not a simple task because you are going to go to a level the what we call I have recruited one guy in a Japanese company okay he has got out from the sleep and has some like 1 year experience and this guy got a salary in Sri Lankan rupees 4.5 lakhs okay not a very big amount okay but he's working remotely okay he's working remotely in a Japanese company okay the 4.5 lakhs guys. Okay, so around that range, you can go beyond that range if you are occupying these skill sets. If you do not occupy those things, okay, you know, the occupying the skill set means not only this academic things, okay, you have to have the mindset of handling the stress as well. Okay, the stress will be coming when you do not have the skill set. මං කියපු එක තේරුණාද guys? okay මේ ස්ලිට් එකේ ළමයෙක්ට මම එයාව ගයිඩ් කරා ඉන්ඩිවිජුවලි. එයාව යොමු කරා මේ ජපනීස් කම්පැනි එකක ඒක රෙක්රූට් වුණා 4.5 lakhs. එයාට 1 year experience තමයි තියෙන්නේ. නමුත් 1 year experience කියන්නේ 1 year overall experience එකක් තියෙනවා internship එකෙන් පස්සේ, right? මෙයා machine learning engineer කෙනෙක් විදිහට 4.5 lakhs salary එකට තමයි recruit උනේ. remotely තමයි වැඩ කරන්නේ. slit එකෙන් තමයි pass out උනේ. මේ දැන් තියෙන දේ කියන්නේ ළමයි ඔයාට මේ ස්කිල් සෙට් එක හරියට තිබ්බේ නැත්නම්, ඒ කියන්නේ බාගෙට නම් තියෙන. ඒ කියන්නේ ඔයා මේ ගොඩක් වෙලාවට කට්ටිය යූස් කරන්නේ ළමයි prompt engineering, ඒ කියන්නේ prompts පාවිච්චි කරලා implementation එක ගහනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ ඔයා කෝඩ් එක ගන්නවා chat gpt හරි claude හරි මොකක් හරි AI tool එකක් පාවිච්චි කරලා ගන්න. හරිද? එහෙම අරගෙන මේ දේවල් ඔයාලා කරනවද නැද්ද කියලා අවංකව කියන්න. එහෙනම් මේක නවත්තන්න. හරිද? ඒ කරන එක නවත්තන්න. මම කියන්නේ කෝස් එක නවත්තන්න කියලා නෙවෙයි. මේ වැඩේ පොඩ්ඩක් ඔයාලා නවත්තන්න. නවත්තන්න කියන්නේ ඒ වැඩේ නවත්තන්න. ඒකෙන් වටිනාකමක් එන්නේ නැහැ. පළවෙනි දේ. ඔයාලා ගන්නවා ඉම්පෝර්ට් කරනවා කෝඩ් එක Claude එකෙන් නැත්නම් ChatGPT එකෙන් මොකකින් හරි AI tool එකකින් ගන්න. හරිද? අරගෙන ඒ කෝඩ් එකේ මොන හරි issues ආවොත් ඔයා ඒකටම දෙනවා prompts ගගහ. මේක හරි. දැන් මේක දානවා ඔයා ඒක import කරගන්නවා ඔයාගේ VS code එකට. හරි ඔයාගේ production environment එකට ඔයා import කරගන්නවා. කරගෙන යනවා. කරගෙන යද්දී මේ ඔයාට issues එනවා. ඒ issues එකට issue එක අරගන්නවා කෙලින්ම copy කරනවා දානවා අරකට. හරිද? මොකුත් ඔළුවේ මොකුත් නැහැ. ආයි බලනවා ආයි දානවා ආයෙන්නේ ආයි දානවා ඔය විදිහට යනවා. එතකොට කොතනද ඔයාගේ logic layer එක තියෙන්නේ? logic එකක් නැහැ. ඒ වගේ කට්ටියව hire කරන්නේ නැහැ industry එක. ගොඩාක් වෙලාවට ඔය අලුත් fresh graduates ලට වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. එයාලා ඔය 2023 24 25 26 වගේනේ pass out වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. එයාලා assignments කරන්නේ ChatGPT. එයාලා implementation කරන්නේ ChatGPT. එයාලා Viva එකට prepare වෙන්නේ ChatGPT. presentation හදන්නේ ChatGPT. හරිද? ඉන්ඩස්ට්‍රි එකට ගියාම එයාලා හිතා ගන්නවා දෙන එකත් ප්‍රශ්නයක් නෑ මම ගිහින් මේ කෝඩ් එක කරනවා යන්න තමයි අමාරු කියලා. ඔයා හිතන්නකෝ ඔයා වගේ කෙනෙක්ට ලක්ෂ 5ක සැලරියක් දුන්නා කියලා. ඔයාට ඒක ඉඳ හිතෙන්නේ නැහැ. මොකද එතන ඉන්න අනිත්‍යුන් ඉන්නේ ටෙක්නිකල් රිගරස් කට්ටිය. හරිද? උන් වැඩ ඔක්කොම කරගෙන යද්දී ඔයාට මාර ප්‍රෙෂර් එකක් එනවා. මට මේක බෑනේ. මට මේක කරගන්න බෑනේ. හරිද? මම ChatGPT ගන්නවා Pro එක. නැත්නම් ප්ලස් එක ප්ලස් නෙමෙයි ඊට පස්සේ තියෙන Pro එකනේ. ප්ලස් එක ගන්නවා. ප්ලස් එකකින් අරගෙන මේවා කරනවා. ප්ලස් එක බැරි නම් Pro එකක් ගන්නවා. රුපියල් 65000ද කීයද දීලා මේ ඒක අරගන්නවා. හරිද? ඒත් බෑ. මෙන්ටල් ස්ට්‍රෙස් එක වැඩි වෙනවා. හරිද? ඒ නිසා කවුරු මොනවා කිව්වත් ළමයි වගේ අර ෆවුන්ඩේෂන් නොලෙජ් එක ඒක අතිශයින් වැදගත්. ඔයාට මේ ඉන්ඩස්ට්‍රි එක හිට් කරන්න. හරිද? ඒක නැතුව බෑ ළමයි ඉන්ඩස්ට්‍රි එක හිට් කරන්න. ඒක නැතුව බෑ. හරිද? ඒකට දැන් මේක මැෂින් ලර්නින් කෝස් එකනේ. මේක paid course එකක්. මේක machine learning course එකක්. ඒ වුණාට අපි හිතමු ඔයාගේ basic skills Python නෑ. හරිද? ඔයා Python කරන්නේ ඔයා කෝඩ් එක අරගෙන ගහන එක. Gen AI tools වලින් කෝඩ් එක අරන් ගහන එක කියලා හිතමු. නමුත් මුලින් ඉඳලා Python උගන්වන්න දෙතන ඔයාලට සහයෝගය දෙන්නට මම මෙතන හැමෝටම කියලා. ඒ කියන්නේ දැන් මේ course එකට ඔයාලා enroll වුණේ නැතත් ඒ course එකට පුළුවන් ඔයාලට එන්න. මොකද ඕන කට්ටියකට ඒක free. ඒක already freely available, right? the Python basics හරිද කෝඩ් කරන එක ඒක දැනගන්න ඕනේ මොකද ඒ දේ නැතුව ඒ කියන්නේ බලන්න මම ඔයාලට පෙන්නන්නම් ටිකකින් මේ LinkedIn ගිහිල්ලා එයාලා ඉල්ලලා තියෙන දේවල් එයාලා රික්වෙස්ට් කරන දේවල් programming language එකේ expertise එකක් තියෙන්න ඕනේ කියලා කියනවා හරිද එතකොට ඒක එයාලා චෙක් කරනවානේ එතකොට අපි දාන්න එපා ළමයි අපිට බැරි දේවල් හරිද ඒ කියන්නේ අපිට බැරි දේවල් දැම්මොත් ඔයා හිතුවොත් කොහොම හරි යන්නේ එක තමයි ප්‍රශ්නේ කියලා ගිහිල්ලා ඉන්න බෑ ඇත්තටම එහෙම වෙච්ච ගොඩ අය කියලා තියෙන එහෙම ගියාට ඉන්න බැරි වෙනවා කියලා හරිද alright right this is then the first stage guys the machine learning stage 1 so what I have told guys when you are going to the industry you should act as your true profile guys true profile means what actually you have you don't want to say that some fascinating things some fascinating technology they do not want those things okay that means you know that if you know TensorFlow okay and if you do not follow PyTorch that doesn't matter okay that doesn't matter you don't want to put PyTorch okay because that is just a tool but what is the fundamental programming language okay if you are competent in Python then any framework you will be eligible okay the recruiters will be checking your fundamental knowledge the main case of this the recent ages guys they do not have a strong background strong fundamental knowledge okay they adhere to vibe coding okay using just prompts and do and when there is an issue also they are asking ChatGPT to do the things okay but you have to definitely use the AI tools in order to make your time efficiently okay that means like there are some reusable tasks right reusable tasks that means you don't want to code from scratch you can just import the things but you know that you should have expertise in the programming language in order to see what are the issues and you want to check the things in order to customize the things එනිසා programming language එකේ competence එකක් අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම තියෙන්නට ඕනේ. හරිද? මොනව කරන්නද කියලා. මොන field එකේ ඒ කියන්නේ ඔයා software engineering ගියත් data science field එකේ ගියත් හරිද? cyber security field එකේ ගියත් මොන field එකේ ගියත් AI tools විතරක් මත depend වෙනවා නම් ඔයාට බෑ මේ game එක run කරන්න. And the second stage the first stage guys the mainly the machine learning the second stage it is deep learning guys okay deep learning this course also somewhat okay in the machine learning also we will be explaining some of the basics of the deep learning task that means the introduction to neural networks it will be explaining there but in this deep learning things it is fully deep learning okay මේ deep learning කොටසේදී මේකත් university undergraduate කොටසේදී යම් ප්‍රමාණයකට කරලා තියෙනවා නමුත් මෙච්චර deep යන්නේ නැහැ හරිද මේක ඇවිල්ලා තමයි deep learning right okay this is we are going to the depth of the deep learning and we will be discussing the several projects and also here the things generative models we are discussing the adversarial robustness and the things and also here the main thing is the interview examination in interview examination you are not having any exam guys but you are having one particular examination it is called interview examination that means after discussing after coming up to certain level of gaining this knowledge and the project experience I will be giving you examination which is a very standard examination which the recruiters asking okay that means you will be getting the confidence to ready what we call face for the interviews and here you have to I have added something called the career advice reading research papers and foundations of convolutional nets okay and here beyond the model enhancing LLMs and those are the things available. And you know that this at the latter part, you know that it has competency called NLP, but this is the introduction to NLP, and the pure NLP part is coming in the next level. NLP and also the computer vision is available in this part, that is the introduction, but the computer vision and the image processing is in the module 3, that is pure computer vision. The complete module is for computer vision, guys. Okay, that means if you want to work as a computer vision engineer, in this module it will be given the complete full set of knowledge related to computer vision, because now this is going in the systematic way. The first machine learning, giving the introduction to the deep learning by having certain projects, but not that deeper to deep learning. And in the second module, it is deep learning. It's very much deeper in the level. And at the end of that one, it will be giving the introduction to computer vision. And in the next thing, in the module number 3, it is completely the deeper version of the computer vision. Okay, all the things are the project and the things are computer vision. You know that every project, every module at the end, there is a project final report and the poster session. Okay, that means either it will be a poster or a research paper. You know that there are two things which can show you performance. One thing is a poster, guys. The poster is a simple thing. It is, you can say it is a mini version of a research paper. That means all the things, all your implementation, what you have implemented, that is simply written as a poster, just a poster. Okay. All those modules we will be having that one. Actually, we will be seeing the time. The poster is I have put here poster. The reason is you know that it will take some time to publish a research paper, because there are some stages in a research paper. But you have to do the research paper as well. But it will be like it is taken that much of time, because it is heavily time consuming. Okay, that's why I have put here the poster. And here also every each and every module, after that the project final report and the poster. Okay, and the computer vision also the same way, the final project presentation and the poster. And then after that one, the natural language processing. This is also the complete natural language processing, guys. We will be learning each and everything related to NLP. Okay, that means what industry requesting. Okay, what industry requesting, those things we will be learning here, right? You know the same order, final project evaluation and the post presentation, and here you will be having interview examination, right? Okay, and after that the reinforcement learning. Okay, this is a complete module of the reinforcement learning. Okay, you will be if you do not know what is reinforcement learning, you will be learning each and everything related to reinforcement learning. And then sixth module and the last module, that is large language models and advanced architecture. Here you will be building your own GPT type of model, like you know that the ChatGPT, it has a model called GPT model. Like that way model you will be implementing from very scratch. Okay, and all the things, all the architecture and all those fundamentals you will be learning. Okay, right. That is the way our thing is going. Okay, in addition to this one, okay, in addition to this thing, we will be giving you a separate course in order to brush your things, because industry needs some sort of knowledge in SQL for data science. That means SQL for data science. That module is separately given. I haven't included this one because this is the main syllabus, and the other thing is that one. And the other module is the scalable software solutions. That means even though you are a computer science graduate, if you do not know how to make a scalable solutions, that means here we will be doing the things and we are uh, getting those implementations, but you have to know how to implement a scalable solution. That module is separately I will be giving. So all the things, you know that how many how will be the duration for this course, okay? You know that this type of course, standard universities, it will be take as at least 1 year, right? At least 1 year. Like the universities like Stanford, MIT, it will be taking at least 1 year. For this course, I will be there are two stages. Okay, it's two stages. The most flexible stage, this will be taking 6 months. The most flexible stage. Okay, but we can make it is fast and smart. Okay, that means only the way to make it fast, we have to increase the length of the delivery mode. That means we have to give like 20 hours per week. Okay, 20 hours per week. That means two sessions. One will be like not actually 20 hours, around 20 hours, 16 to 20 hours in that duration. So I will be considering this to deliver within 3 months as a fast track, but we want to check how is the student's capacity. That's why I will be having the interview session. Okay, interview session, one-to-one interview session. Okay, one-to-one interview session. There we will be identify what are your potential. Okay, what are your strength. In the interview session, we will be understanding how is your real potential. What Python පුළුවන්ද, right? If you are capable of implementing the things, okay, that is just understanding the guy, okay, not an interview, okay, not a like come here, I will be asking these things like that, right? And the next thing, guys, this is not a course to earn money. Okay, this is not a course to earn money. This is the whole purpose of this course is building the network, building a proper network. So therefore, I want only the right guys. Okay, right guys. You know that I have already 3 guys uh, in this course who were already my students. And for those students, this course is totally free because my intention is somehow send them to the industry. Okay, then only they will what we call making my name viable. Okay, so I know who are the guys. Okay, so those guys, this is completely free. Free means like with a condition. Okay, that means if he is not participating for the course and he is not submitting the things, not implementing the things, then only we will be given some sort of excuses because these guys are working. But you have to manage the things, guys. Okay, you have to manage the things. You have to consider this as even though this is a course which is delivered by just an individual, you want to consider this course as a course which is delivered by a university. You know that in a university course, you will be always in a like some kind of stress environment. We have to submit this assignment on time. Like that way, you are always worrying the things and you are participating for the lectures like that way. Like that way, you have to uh, have that mindset. In order to keep that mindset, only we will be charging the course fee. Otherwise, I have the experience of delivering the free courses because some of the courses are available in the YouTube. Uh, then they do not have the intention because I also know that the free courses, the importance is not that much. Okay, because guys, I got the SLIT full scholarship. Okay, SLIT full scholarships. That means I didn't want to pay anything for the SLIT. Okay, the completely it is free of charge because of my advanced level results. Then I didn't get a first class from SLIT. Okay, the first year, second year, I got what you call the second upper, but the reason I should have done better than that one. The main reason is just because it is what we call free. I didn't have the value of that one that much. Okay, but I've done the things, but not up to that what we call the premier stage. Okay, because there's some guys they were like they were in a very lower position than me, but they have gone to a higher position than me. Okay, so you should feel something like you are something is going out from you, then you will be feeling like that. And also this type of course, the compatible for this course, the available course in the Sri Lankan industry, I have seen one course, but it is not up to that this rigorous. Okay, I don't want to mention the course name. You can just browse of that the courses available for scalable AI pipelines and scalable AI systems, the machine learning AI systems. How is the value of that course? That course is 150,000. Okay, 150,000. ලක්ෂයකමාරක් වෙන ඒ course එක. But this course is not that one. And because I know the students who are participating for this one, they are many of guys, they do not have proper jobs. Some of guys, they do not have, even though they are working in certain job levels, they are not that, but you are not getting like more than 500,000 or 1 million. Okay, not like that. So this course is for the guys, the guys who want to upgrade their thing. So I didn't put the price of the course. It is like 29,000. 29,000, and I will be giving all those instructions. 29,000, and guys, this it is, even though it is 6 months or it is 3 months, that the whole the cost is 29,000. And the next thing is the interview, there is a registration, the course registration fee. That course registration fee is 2,000. Then 29,000 plus 2,000 is 31,000. But the people who are what we call early bird guys who enroll for this course, that 9,000 discount will be allocated. Okay, we will be giving a certain time duration. Okay, and also the guys who cannot pay the things in at once, that means the one shot payment, if the guys, if they cannot pay the things, they can pay it as 2 installments. One is in the registration, what we call after the registration, once the course is starting. Okay, and the next installment is at the what we call the middle of the course, before the end of the course. Okay, like we will be allocating that one. The reason is we will be starting this course very soon. Okay, because the several guys, they have emailed me and asked me they want this qualification, they want to get into the industry like that way. So that's why by having that type of hype only we have started this course. And okay, we will be finishing this course, what we call session, after a few minutes, because after 9:30 I have to start my work. Before that, I want to show you, okay, by having this skill set, what are the places you can go, so that we will, guys, haven't I? Yeah, I have. I have. Yes, you can see the screen, right? Yes, yeah, you can see the screen. Okay, guys, we'll go to the LinkedIn and see. Okay, this is one of my optional LinkedIn account. That is my just to browse the things. Okay, yesterday or day before yesterday, I have uploaded a video that is from this specialist engineer machine learning. Okay, I have explained the things related to that one, and you know that now here the machine learning engineer in Sri Lanka. Okay, we are not actually targeting Sri Lanka. Okay, just do not target Sri Lanka, guys. Okay, because be somebody like me. Okay, I didn't target the Sri Lankan what we call job companies. Okay, you should not target that one because they are not paying well. What are the things that they are doing. There is one guy, one of my friends. He has already started the company in USA, and he has a sub branch in UK as well. Okay, UK as well. He's a graduate from University of Colombo, and now he has two companies, and a very rich person compared to Sri Lankan people. Okay, he has like around in his company, the two companies, there were around 30 people. The 30 employees are working. Okay, 30 employees are working. His annual turnover is very much high. Okay, you know that if you are working in a company, if you are working remotely in a particular company, you can one of your camera has on, Radisha Dilshan. Hi.
Sorry.
Okay, that's okay if you are you can switch on the camera. I can see the things, but some guys, they accidentally switch on the things. That's why I'm asking you to switch off the camera. Okay, because I don't know what type of situations you are in, and like that, right? So guys, target the UK, USA audience, because those are the countries who are paying well. Okay, UK mainly, UK and USA, there is a difference, guys. If you get into a job in UK, you can survive. That means they are not what we call, they do not want to trash you out. They are not doing normally, and the interview process also not that difficult. Okay, but in USA, if they feel like you are not up to the standard, they will instantly ask you to leave the company. Okay, the same way. Now, if you consider about the Japanese company, they are asking you to do very much hard work, because those guys, they are very hard working. Okay, they are expecting the same thing from you as well. Okay, so if you target UK, you will be having great advantage. Okay, only the thing is you have to have the proper skill set. Okay, I believe that you will be having a proper undergraduate degree or diploma. Okay, that thing you can, that is academic qualification. I can't do anything with that one, because that I told, like, if you do not have the academic qualification, I told, what are the things you want to do. Okay, either you should have the scalable portfolio, by that portfolio also, you can overtake, okay? That is very unconventional. You can overtake the academic qualification in some cases, okay? But the most conventional way, I told, like, you should have a proper undergraduate degree plus what the things I told, plus this skill set, okay? So all of these companies are requesting the same thing. Okay, we'll just randomly take a company like AI data engineer, AI data engineer. Okay, this is data engineer position. They see that 3+ years of hands-on Python development experience with strong proficiency in Anthropic Python SDK. That means you have to have the Python knowledge first, then Anthropic SDK. That thing, you do not want to consider this Anthropic SDK. By having what we call proper Python knowledge, you can shift to any SDKs if you need. Okay. The proven experience in building multi-step agentic applications using Claude, including tool use patterns, function calling, and prompt chaining. Okay, that means these skills that we will be learning in our course. The practical experience with Claude Cowork, building agents, that means building agents knowledge, building scalable agents, we will be learning in this course. That's why I'm telling guys, even though this is, even though I told like we can manage by this by within 3 months, the proper time duration is 6 months, because you will be having sufficient time, guys. Sufficient time. Okay, anything. If you have 6 months, guys, okay, you can do anything. I'm telling like, if you have 6 months time, if you are sacrificing your full time for that one, within that 6 months, you can become expert in any field. But if you are fully sacrificed, but 3 months, normally we can't say like that way. And also the advanced level also, just imagine I will be having a proper batch who are facing for the advanced level also, because I'm building my network, guys. Okay, there are some physics students, and there are some combined mathematics students, and also there are some engineering technology students. I'm not charging anything from them. What I'm doing, I'm teaching them, guiding them, and let them to face for the examination. Okay, just free of charge. And because they are my future network. Okay, I have some kind of dream of implementing in this, some kind of implementations and some kind of platforms I failed. That's the nature, guys. Okay, in the building business, in some stages we will be failing. Okay, that is also some stage of success. Okay, you can't always win the industry in every stage. Okay, you in the building business is something different. Okay, you will be learning later. The first of all, the first thing, the way I done, first go to the industry, work there. Okay, work some time. After that thing to build your own business. Okay, without going to the industry, don't think to build your own business, because you do not know what is the scale of that one, right? Demonstrated the ability to deploy working agents against real data sources, API and production system, hands-on experience implementing MCP servers, including tool definitions. That means this is completely tally with our course. Okay, and the sample projects you can show in your portfolio. So what is this job role, guys? AI data engineer. Okay, but that is a Sri Lankan one, right? But we are not targeting, because there are several Sri Lankan companies like that way. So you can, after finishing this course, after publishing those papers, after showing your portfolio, you can definitely request that one. And the next thing is the English. That's why we are conducting this program in English, because even though you are having the certain skill set, the first impression is somehow you have to face the interview. Okay, face the interview, and if you are unable to deliver your capacity with the first impression, like the HR interview, okay, so then those people will just cut you. Okay, therefore have that one. Okay, but when delivering this course, I will be using both languages. Okay, I will be using both languages, Sinhala and English. You can ask anything. Okay, you can ask in Sinhala. Okay, you can ask Tamil as well. I know slight Tamil because I work with some of the Tamil guys. Okay, I can understand, but I can't talk. So if any difficulty, you can ask me. So I know that there are some Tamil guys also here. So here you can put the USA, and you can search. And I will tell you that this is one of your activity for today. Okay, this search all these machine learning job roles. Okay, and go to this job profile and see what they are, their key responsibilities, qualification. If you need, just copy paste this to ChatGPT or Gemini and ask it to summarize. Okay, summarize and get fully understand about the profile. Okay, you have to do that one. You have to understand different job roles and their skill set, the requirement skill set. Then only you can work according to that. Okay. Okay, no questions so far. Okay, guys, like that way, all of those things you can see, and I have made the course according to this by reviewing many of those job roles, and I have made this course. And the next thing, while working in the industry, still you have to update yourself. Okay, you have to know what are the advanced studying strategies. With this course, you will be learning something, how to read books fastly. That means for that one, I want to mention one thing. I want to tell that this is one of my greatest talent. You know that here, this data science books, okay, you know that there are like more than 500 books. Okay, more than 500 books. I have fully read all of those things. Okay, some of those things I didn't fully read, but I can say that many of these books I have fully I have deep dive to them, did the implementation, and go that way, go like that way. So with this course, in parallel to this one, we will be guiding you with two reference books first. Okay, one thing is this one, the AI engineering. This book by this is the greatest book for AI engineering, guys. This gives everything about the AI engineering. We will be giving this book to you, and also we will be discussing this completely end to end, page to page, this book as well. Okay, in parallel to our course. Okay, and another book that we will be first doing that one, the hands-on experience in TensorFlow, PyTorch, like that book. Okay, that's the first book we are discussing. Hands-on, let's see, put here. Hands-on. All right, maybe this here. Hands-on machine learning. Hands-on machine learning. Arina Graron's book. Guys. Okay. Stop share and see. And again we'll share this. Some kind of latency issue. I will take it and open with the Microsoft Edge. then you can see the things. Okay, this book, right? This is the book, guys. Hands-on machine learning with scikit-learn and PyTorch. Okay, we will be discussing this book and doing all the implementation of that book as well. Okay, so this advanced reading knowledge and implementing knowledge also you should have. Okay, then only you can win the industry, guys. Okay? Right, that's all for today. Okay, and I will be giving all the updates to the what we call group, how the registration process is going. The first thing is the course registration. For course registration, you have to pay 2,000 rupees. Then we will be having one-to-one interview, and we will be identifying each of your strengths, weaknesses, and what are your ambitions, what sort of field you want to go, like that. Then after that one, we will be making you to a certain groups, guys, because the group wisely you have to there are some projects you have to individually do, there are some projects you have to do group wisely, and that skill also you need to occupy that, because you need to acquire that skill, because that is called the collaborative effect. Okay. Without having that collaborative effect, if you are just an individual, industry doesn't need individuals. Industry needs a person who can build teams. Okay, so you have to have that soft skills as well, because one of the lacking skill is the communication skills. Guys are not talking, guys are not responding. Okay, so you have to acquire that skills as well. Okay, we will be updating all the news in our group. You read those things. Okay, read and respond. At least put a like. Okay, at least put a like. Any questions before wind out the session? Any questions?
Yeah. Can I ask a question for you? Am I audible?
I will be uploading the recording.
Hello.
Okay.
Hello.
Any questions? Have you got something from this information session? Have you got something that you do not know from this information session? මේ ඉන්ෆෝමේෂන් සෙෂන් එකේ වටිනාකම වෙන්නේ මේකදී ඔයා දන්න දේවල් විතරක් මෙතන ඇවිල්ලා ඉගෙන ගත්තා නම් ඒකේ වැඩක් වෙන්නේ නැහැ. මේක ටිකක් ඒක වෙනස් වෙන්නේ මේ ඔයා නොදන්න දේවල් යම් දෙයක් මේ ඉන්ෆෝමේෂන් සෙෂන් එකේදී ඉගෙන ගත්තා නම්. Have you got something that you do not know?
Am I audible here?
Can I know, is there any maximum age limit to enter the industry in ML specifically for who has a career change? It is like ML industry in Sri Lanka. Okay, in ML industry in Sri Lanka, for in order to shift into entry-level jobs. Entry-level jobs, normally they will be thinking like the upper limit is 35 ages, 35 years of age. That means like internship and the entry, like the just the fresh level job, 35, because in Sri Lanka, okay, but in USA, UK, and other countries, the foreign countries, because they are having very diverse portfolio. Okay, so then there is no age barrier, because I recruited one guy in a Japanese company. He was 33 years old, 33 years of age. So it is not that is also entry level job. Okay, he was the oldest guy in that company. All the other guys are like you know that 21, 22 of the fresh guys. So and the next thing is, even though you are like working as a what we call, if you are having a slightly high age, even though you have to cooperate with the others like the same way, machan level, like that. Like the guy who has talked me machan, the 19 years guy, he called me machan. I also spoke the same way, the same spirit. Oh, machan, kiya machan, right? Bro, the bro level. Okay. Okay. You have to have the same stamina, then that will be okay. Even though if you are like more than 40 years of age, okay, even though you are 40 years skills, do a master's, okay, do a master's, learn ML, go to the academia field as a research engineer. That's in the academia field, the research engineer, there is no age upper limit, okay? There is no age upper limit. And the next thing is you can do, you can work as a freelancer, okay? Then that means you can work from home. In your own limitations, you can work, okay? That is also one thing is. The next thing is learn everything, somehow have some sort of things like the, if you have having a good network, if you can show me that you have the right skill set, suppose like I can hire you, okay, then I can hire you for the certain the relevant salary, okay. Then you are working with me for a certain project, okay. So then after having some sort of skill set, you can work as a freelancer, okay, like that. You will be having several advantages, okay. I think I have answered the things, okay. Email engine specialist for who has a career change. If you like this type of way, like he's telling like a career change. If you are in the software engineering field for some like some sort of years, like 5 years, 6 years, then that is very much okay. Okay, then there is no they are not considering the age, because you are already in the same industry, okay, same industry. Any other questions?
Am I audible here?
Are there any chances for SLIT IT degree? Yeah, SLIT guys, there are some chances, but you have to show me, right? Because you have to show me the things, because I have a good network with the SLIT, the people who are working in the industry. They are asking always, we need this type of person. Because some of my students also ask me, are there any chances? First of all, you have to show me. Yeah? I don't just recruiting anybody, because I want to have a estimation. Okay. Otherwise, what will happen? You know what will happen after that? You know that they do not believe me. Okay, that guy, he has sent me this guy. He doesn't work at all. Who are his students like that? They will be telling. Okay, but if you are showing, if you are performing well, definitely I will be recommending. And if you are showing, yes, I have implemented this one. Yeah, I have implemented this library. Show me, okay, this library, okay, some kind of thing, okay, some kind of thing. That means after learning this one, you are coming with your own things, okay, then definitely I will help you. Not only SLIT guys, okay. I told like I am very what we call very what is that? I don't have any bias, no bias. Okay, bias is zero. Even though you are a pioneer student of me, even you are a newbie of me, okay, I am treating you both in the same way. Okay, I think very guys. People who have a 2.17 GPA from SLIT, can they enter this field? Definitely, industry doesn't need the GPA. If you want to go to higher studies, then that will be a disadvantage. Okay, but to get into the ML industry, GPA doesn't matter. What matters is the skills. Okay, even though you are from SLIT or any other university, okay, your transcript doesn't matter. Okay, doesn't matter. You can compensate that one. Okay, why you are getting low grades? You can tell that I considered more in the skill set. Okay, so you know that if somebody asked me, why didn't you get a first class degree? If somebody asked me, why didn't you get a first class degree? Actually, some of guys, because you know that in my portfolio, I'm always putting the videos that I have done, okay, and also the projects that I have implemented, also demonstrations, okay. Then the companies in the very early stages, they are asking, if you have conducted classes and this type of sessions for students, why didn't you get a first class degree? Why it is like that? Why you couldn't become the most outstanding student? Okay, because I know that I have put classes and the webinars and some sort of cookie sessions for most outstanding student in SLIT as well. Okay, even though they got a first class degree, I didn't get a first class degree. The reason is, you know that, because I was working in a very collaborative environment, and also I had some commitments, and also you know that I am working, not only studying. Okay, not only study. So with those things, I could compensate that one, because I didn't only considered about making the GPA, making the GPA high. I considered more than acquiring skills. So you can compensate. Yeah, always you have to have the potential to defend yourself. If there are some minors, you have to tell that. Why is that? Why the GPA thing? Okay, then only you can stand out from that one. Okay. Any other thing? I think I have just ask questions, guys. Ask. Radesh Dilshan wants to talk. I didn't hear. Right? Is he Radesh Dilshan? Do you want to talk?
Yeah, yeah. I want to know, do we need any special device, like the device, I mean the like high RAM, any, I mean the especially like 8G, is that
Yes, I
like, yeah,
understood the
like
problem. Yeah.
like
You means device means
RAM
the
RAM
RAM
like
capacity and the things.
yeah.
Okay, at least like your machine should be like 8 to 16 GB. That will be enough, because we are mainly working with the cloud environment. So that is not because in my machine also it is 16 GB, right? So even though you are having 8 GB RAM, that's also okay, right? But at least you should have 8 GB RAM in your laptop or machine. Okay, and the processor speed doesn't matter. Normal what we call i5 machine will be suitable for that one. The laptop, if you're using a laptop.
Okay.
Did I answer your question?
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Any guys? Yeah, can we download that ML resources book free? Yes. I don't think you can download the things. Perhaps it may be available, but I will upload that book to the group. Okay, all the resources, because I am not keeping those things for me, because even though if you want to learn the things, I will give you the resources. You learn. Okay, ask anything. Okay, sir. All the resources I will provide, guys. Okay, don't hesitate to ask the things. Okay. Yeah, Banuka Subhas. Banuka, I will upload. Which book do you want? I don't upload all the books at once, okay? Because one by one you have to learn the things, okay? That's the way you have to go, okay? Finish one thing, okay? Then move to the other one. I have I have shown you two books, right? A engineering book and the hands-on machine learning book. Which book did you want? I think the first book should be the hands-on machine learning book. If you are okay, I will upload that book to the group. Yes, yes. That's the first book you need to, yeah, go in that way systematically, okay? Become somebody who can beat me, right? I love that one, okay? I love that one. And you know that this computer vision thing, I have uploaded to this one because the University of Peradeniya, it has a MSc program in computer vision, okay? I've observed, you know that I have already have my master's in financial engineering in University of Colombo, and I started another master's degree in University of Colombo because one of my what we call the guy who requested the machine learning course, I told him like because he want to shift to the ML career from another. He's in this healthcare career and he wants to shift into the ML career. So I told like if you want to shift to this career, this only by having my course you cannot upgrade yourself. Okay, first of all, you register in a proper university and do a master. While doing the master, you can enroll for my course. Okay, so somehow he has tried many universities. Okay, many universities rejected. Okay, after that, University of Peradeniya accepts that one, because you know that the University of Peradeniya has the most rigorous computer science degree. I know that one. They have a very pride history of having masters for computer science. So in order to check that one, I also registered with the master program. Now my student and I both are doing the same master program. Okay, anybody who has who are in what we call different IT backgrounds, if you want to what we call, if you want to shift your career uh, to get a higher advantage, to get some higher advantage, then do a master degree in a proper state university. It's okay if you have done what we call the undergraduate degree in a private university, but do your masters in what we call state university if you want to what we call upgrade yourself. The reason is Sri Lankan state universities, they have a brand name. Globally they have brand names for the higher studies, okay? Because like that way in the industry, the people who have gone for higher studies, they have performed well, okay? So you have that advantage, okay? I think guys who have completed the degree from ESOFT, ICPT, and also we have some sort of students in ICBT, SLIT, IIT. Those guys following the masters in Peradeniya, right? Any other questions? Any other questions? Any other questions? I completed the degree at SLIT 10. My GPA is 2.17. I studied ML and DL as my electives and C+ for both. I can't decide I should go for government jobs or do ML career. ML jobs are very few. ML jobs are very few. Yeah, I can not only ML jobs, all now this the whole IT domain is now it is closed. Closed means not damaged. It is closed means there is some sort of entry barrier. The entry barrier's reason is now the those days in like the 2029 to 2023-24, okay, just 2 years back up to like that way, the anybody who is having like some sort of skill set, they can enter the industry, IT industry. After that evolving of the AI industry, AI evolution, like the ChatGPT AI tools, and the code generation tools, the decision makers, that means the company higher management, they have decided by having one senior engineer, okay, can replace 10 other the freshers, because because you know that earlier, like the 10 guys doing one project, but now you don't want to have 10, you can have 3 and cooperatively do that one. The workforce is reduced. Therefore, the industry accepting the guys who are having some kind of edge. That means you are having like the skill set. You can you can do the implementations, not only the projects. You are having the vast amount of projects is not a plus point. You are having one quality project and you have very strong fundamentals. Okay, in the software industry, if you mention, if you know the object oriented programming well, okay, they are not thinking about the Spring Boot and the framework. The technology doesn't matter. You want to have the strong fundamentals. The fundamental is the key. Okay, if you having the fundamentals like data structures and algorithm, okay, not just having what we call transcript A, they are not considering those things, because that is also one kind of thing you can impress, but uh, real potential, the data structures and algorithms, you can use that thing properly in your implementation. Okay, that sort of way, if you go, okay, you can win the industry. You personally talk to me, I will give you a personal roadmap if you want to go in any industry, like not only ML. Either you join this program or not. This is the free consultation, okay, because I want to see many guys, they are joining the industry. Okay, right. I think I have answered that. Any other questions, guys? No more questions? If you do not have more questions, I can wind up the session, because 9:30 I have to start my work. Around 9 I have to have my dinner and get prepared. I think give a comment. Have you got something something different, or if you got something that you already doesn't know before wind up the session, and I will upload this video to the YouTube. Anybody want to talk? Any questions? Right. Okay, anyway, now I can guarantee like this way, okay? This is my honest comment, okay? You know that this is not a simple course. You know that you have seen the things, okay? In order to get the fullest advantage of this course, you have to properly engage, okay? And the my teaching style is somewhat good. I know that some guys are telling like uh, my teaching style is good, they can understand because I'm teaching from the very scratch. But even though, okay, even though you will feel like it is not that attractive, okay, it is not that attractive, but I will be giving you all the fundamentals and the things needed to you, okay? Don't think about the attraction. Get the thing what I'm delivering, okay, and sacrifice with that one, then definitely you can win the industry. Okay. Okay, with that message, I will wind up this session. And if you have more questions, you can just reach me. and I will upload the YouTube video also to that one and give more information. And bye guys. Okay, thank you very much for staying with me.